Hey there, in today's VA training, I'm going to show you something you can do in Instagram to help your clients. So I'm going to introduce you to two different programs today. So first of all, I'm here on Social Creator. It's Jasmine Star's monthly membership to help people and business owners do Instagram for their business. So sometimes people have a hard time writing. I don't use it a whole lot, but every now and then I like to come in here, grab her stock photos, and go ahead and use her captions. So let me show you what we're going to do. I'm in my dashboard. This is about, I want to say about $30 a month. And you can come here, you get granted issues for the month with free photos. Well, not free, I mean, I paid for them. Advice for using social media and an action plan, as you can see. And then what's really beautiful is she gives you captions and photos. So this is the one that I had my eye on for a while. And when I click here, she kind of gives you a writing prompt. She does give you a writing prompt. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go over into my Word doc and I am going to write a caption. So I've already pasted it here. So here I go. Okay, that took me a little while. So now that I have it, what we're going to do is go into a program for Instagram scheduling. That's called Later. I like to use Later. I used to use Planoly, but I like Later more right now, and I'll tell you why in a second. But first of all, I want you to see how nice it was just to have that writing prompt to get me going. I know I have a story to tell and share, and sometimes I struggle if I'm not in the best writing mood to bring it out of me. So that prompt was really good, especially as I get into pre-launch of my course and just kind of opening myself up and telling my story and letting people know how I started and why. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and then I'm going to open Later. And this is an Instagram scheduling app. And so what I love about it is you can preview what it looks like and you can really curate your feed. Although really know that having the perfect curated feed is not what's going to grow your Instagram. Being engaged and building relationships on Instagram is going to grow it. But a lot of clients like to have their own perfect Instagram and they want to hire a VA who can have an eye for that design. So this is what my cat wants to get up here. This is what my preview looks like. These are the last posts that I have done in my feed. This is my library. I went ahead and uploaded that photo, but you can see it's really easy. You just come here to upload media and you would upload it like whatever. Oh, here comes my cat. Whatever picture you wanted. So I have a few already in the can. So when I want to schedule, I can come here to the week. And what I will do is I will just drag this over here. I'm going to do it at about 3 p.m. That's a good spot for me. And you can also edit the photo inside Later. You could do a square crop, which is smart because, you know, the feed shows square, but I also like the Instagram portrait. So I'm just going to do square for this one and put that in there. I'm going to go ahead and post my caption. Oh, look, it didn't do the spaces, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a couple hashtags down here. All right, and now I can schedule it. What I love about Later is it does not require you to follow up with a push notification. So Planoly, it would send you a little thing on your phone and you would have to physically go through and hit publish. Later will upload a single photo automatically on your schedule without you having to do anything. However, if you make it multiple photos or if you do it a story, it is a push notification, so you have to push the button to actually publish. But if you're doing a single photo like this one, it's awesome. So I might go back in and add hashtags later. For right now, I just put in a few and I love it. So far, so good. And then I can go ahead and schedule it. I'm going to do 3 o'clock tomorrow because 3 o'clock is a good time for my Instagram. And the really cool thing about Later, oh, let me show you the preview really quick. I can see what it looks like. I like that it's not like Emily. Every now and then I like a little stock photo. I don't like it to be too curated. I want it to be real and to be me. So that was one thing I wanted to show you. And the juicy thing about Later is the analytics. Instagram analytics are not that great, but when you come in here, you can really nerd out on your data and your performance. So you can see how well your hashtags are doing. You can see your engagement. This is probably the best thing right now, is to look at your engagement. I have a whole blog post about engagement for you to go look at, and I reference later in there, but getting engagement is really good for all of the social media platforms. So if you ever get a client that says they use Later, then do a happy dance, because this will make your life easier. You could also use Planoly. You can use Tailwind to schedule to Instagram, and you can also use the Creator Studio inside Facebook. Since Facebook and Instagram are married, you could use that. Real quick, I just wanted to show you my engagement. It shows you when my people are online, and you can see why I was kind of aiming for a 3 o'clock window. So tomorrow, I should probably go ahead and change it for noon. Maybe I'll just go ahead and change it. But you can just really nerd out on your demographics, and this can help you and your client know more about who you're marketing to and get your message on brand. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you like doing social media, you're also going to like other digital media VA tasks. Download my opt-in. It's 10 free things that I did, 10 free tasks, not 10 free. My free list of tasks that I do for clients, and social media is just one of those many things that clients need help and want to outsource. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow.